How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the CVT WRX channel. And in today's video, we're going to be installing the dual tip Tomei exhaust. And I did want to come clean and tell everybody that I bought this from Marketplace. The guy who sold it to me, he was rear-ended in an accident and the tip was damaged. The left side tip for the exhaust was damaged. It was just bent in, nothing major, nothing significant, but I was able to take it to a local guy near me and get it all fixed up and make it look like it was never even there. But without further ado, let's get started.
Some live, some die, and the way up the samurai.
So here's what I've done. As you can see, they include this silicone right here so that it doesn't start rattling. How thoughtful. There's a stopper right here so you know exactly how far to push in. And there's a small indentation right up here where it says up. So this side up. And then let's get installing. for shooting conclusion, for this video, we are going to talk about the Tomei exhaust. I've had it on the car since May. Videos, in my opinion, don't do justice of how good it sounds, but you know, I have it paired up with the Ray pipe. I don't receive that much drone with music on, but I don't know, like, I guess it could be a little quieter, but I guess because of the Ray pipe, you know, it sounds really good. I get compliments all the time of how good it sounds. My next video is going to be about my CVT cooler, which is a custom, and my Mishimoto oil cooler, but I'll have all the parts for that listed. It's really simple. You guys can do it at home too if you have the right tools. My CVT transmission, which I get a lot of questions about, I had one issue, which was slippage, and now don't be alarmed, like it's not like regular slippage, like transmission slipping. It was more of a fuel cut because of my charge pipe. So on the charge pipe there's a retaining clip, and my retaining clip was not there, therefore it would cause like an evap leak, and it would just push, it would cut fuel completely under power. But I'm still tuned under Dman tuning, doing I think a high E35 tune, and I'm not usually on E35. That's like my kill map if I'm really feel like on an autocross day or something. But regardless, my car runs really good. On 93, I push it all the time. And lastly, I wanted to promote my second YouTube channel that I'm opening with my friends. I have bought a Integra GSR for $500. I have two of them, and one of them is a donor car, one of them is not a donor car. It had like misfiring some issues, and you know, me and my friends were just goofing around and posting shitbox videos. But yeah, that's about it. These videos are all edited by me, and you know, it takes a lot of time as I'm an engineering student. So thank you for being patient. I'll be going to SubiFest this October. Hope to see a lot of people there. If you see my car and you see me and you know my channel, please come say hi. And I will be, you know, seeing y'all in the next video. And have a good one. Take care.